Do you have money?
No, but I work.
You are so poor.
It's okay. I am poor. I have no family.
My parents died in a car accident.
Please, God, help me. I don't want to lose my home. Please.
Alex, did you see that?
Yes, sir. He talked about my shoes.
I made these. I can't believe it.
Hey, look! Poor boy!
He lives in that broken van. Your clothes are dirty.
Do you have money?
No, but I work.
You are so poor.
It's okay. I am poor. I have no family. But I will work. I must find work today. If I do not find work, I will be hungry today.
Hello, excuse me, ma'am. Oh, hello, little kid. Do you have any work for me? Oh, my son, what happened? Where are your parents?
My parents died in a car accident.
Oh my God, that is very sad. Where do you live, my dear?
I live in a van outside the village.
Oh, my child, did you eat today?
Thank you, ma'am. I need work for that.
Oh, okay, dear. I don't feel good to make you work. I can give you food.
No, ma'am. I only take something after work. If you want to help me, please give me work.
You are very honest and hardworking.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, my son. You can clean my garden behind the house. I will pay you well.
Okay, ma'am.
This way.
Okay. Oh, I am very tired. But I have to finish my work. It is almost done.
Hello, ma'am. May I come in?
Oh, Alex, please come in, my son.
Ma'am, I cleaned your garden. It is all clean now.
Oh, thank you, Alex. You are such a good boy. Here, take this money.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You are very hardworking, dear. One day you will become a great man.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Bye, Alex. Bye.
Hey, boy, come here.
Yes, sir. You called me?
What is your name?
My name is Alex, sir.
Do you work?
Yes, sir. I do small work.
Can you clean my car?
Yes, sir. I can do it.
Sir, I finished cleaning your car.
Oh, very good, Alex.
Thank you, sir.
The car looks very clean now.
I tried my best, sir.
You did a great job.
Thank you so much, sir.
Here is your money.
Thank you, sir.
Keep working hard, Alex.
Hello, sir.
Hello, what do you want?
I want some fruits.
Which fruits?
Apples and bananas.
Good choices.
Okay. Anything else?
No. How much?
It is $5. Here is the money.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
I have some food now. Thank you, God. Today was a hard day, but I did my work. I am very tired. I will eat and rest. Tomorrow, I will work again.
Oh no! What is happening? The rain is very strong! The wind is too fast! My van is shaking! The water is coming near! I am scared! Please, God, help me! I don't want to lose my home! Please stop this storm!
Oh no! My van. My home is gone. Everything is in the water. My books. My clothes. I have nothing now. Where will I go? What will I do? I am all alone. Please, God, help me. I am very tired. I have no home now. I don't know where to go. I need some rest.
This place is quiet. I will sleep here.
just for some time. Tomorrow I will think.
Hey, little boy, wake up.
Yes, sir.
Why are you sleeping here?
I have no home, sir.
No home? What happened?
The storm took my van.
Oh, that is very sad. Are you okay?
I am tired and hungry.
You are a very good boy. Do you want to work with me?
Yes, sir, I want to work.
Okay then, stand up. Come with me, I will show you my company. Here we are, Alex. This is my small dream, a shoe factory. We make shoes here.
Wow, can I work here?
Do you really want to work?
Yes.
If you want, I can send you to a foster home.
No, sir, I want to work. I want to do something in life.
Oh, Alex, you will go very far one day. You have learned so much at a young age. Come with me. I will show you everything.
I don't understand. What should I do? This is very hard. But I will try again.
Your shoes look strong. Yes, but they are not very comfortable. Really? Yes, they are heavy.
Do they help you play well?
Not always. I want better shoes.
Better shoes?
Light and strong shoes are best.
I understand. I will make better shoes one day.
I want to make better shoes. But how? How does this machine work?
It's so complicated. I wish I knew. Maybe I should ask for help.
Mom, Dad, I miss you. I feel alone. Please help me. Please show me the way.
What is this? A light? I feel warm. I feel strong. I understand now.
I will do it. I will make something great.
I will try. I can do it. This must be strong and light.
This is getting better.
Yes, this looks good.
Legend? This is the name?
One day, every football player will wear these shoes.
Hey, Leo. Come here.
Alex, you are here. What happened?
I made something for you.
Are these for me?
Yes, I made these for you. Do you want to try them?
Oh, thank you, Alex, but how can I take them?
It's okay. You can wear them in your next match.
Okay, Alex, I will wear them. Thank you so much, my friend.
You're welcome, Leo.
Let's go! Yes!
Leo, how did you play so well today?
I played well because of my shoes.
Your shoes?
Yes. My friend Alex made them for me.
Really?
Yes, these shoes feel light and strong. They are like magic from me. Thank you, Alex.
Alex, did you see that?
Yes, sir. He talked about my shoes.
Your design is amazing.
Thank you, sir. I just tried my best.
No, Alex, you did something special.
Sir, people really like my shoes.
Yes, and this is just the beginning.
Really, sir?
Yes, Alex. One day your shoes will be everywhere.
Thank you for trusting me, sir.
I am proud of you, Alex. We should make more of these shoes.
Yes, sir. We can make better designs too.
Alex, I have something to say.
Yes, sir?
From today, I want you to be the CEO of this company.
Me, sir?
Yes, Alex, this company is yours now. You will lead it.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
I will work very hard.
I know you will.
I will make this company number one.
My shoes on that board. Is this real? I made these. I can't believe it.
My shoes are everywhere. People can see my work. I feel proud.
They are wearing my shoes.
They are happy.
This makes me happy. I did something good.
You laughed at me before, but I worked hard. I did not give up. Now I am here. We should work hard in life. We should never give up. Poor people can also become successful. Do not laugh at others. Always respect everyone. Believe in yourself. Good ideas can change life. Kind people always win. Help others when you can. Your future can be better if you try.